Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have a cool song, another cool song from Shaboozey from the new album, The Outlaw, Cherry Lee, and all that good stuff. We have this song, kind of title song in my opinion, Lone Survivor. Before we move on with this tutorial, I need your help, guys, on my other channel. It's called Gordon Guitar 6 Rings Ago. Link up here. I need your help to grow that channel. Okay, I need your help. So it's a nice channel, a nice way to learn a new song from A to Z, full playthrough, chords shown on the screen. Just follow along, me playing. So go and hit subscribe there. And I want to mention as well the Wish Wednesday. If you're a fan of Gordon Guitar, you know what I'm talking about. You wish for songs, you ask about them, and on Wednesdays we have them here. So if you want to bump up your chances to get your song, then you do like this. You go subscribe to my new channel, and in the comments where you leave about your wishes, you also comment that you have subscribed, and I will put you higher on the list. Yeah, nice deal. So thank you for support, guys. Now let's move on to this Lone Survivor. We have capo on fourth, absolute best scenario. I'm gonna give you kind of the technicals around that melody. It's tough. I could need some more practice on it, I'm honest, but still I'm going to show how to do it, and you can practice on your own. Only 3 chords are runs in the same way through the entire song, so let's do it together. Capo on fourth, like I mentioned, we have the A minor first, so that goes open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. We have C next. That will be third A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. And then we have that G6 at 11. So you're gonna move up to third fret E string, second A, open D, open G, first B, and open E. So that will be the chord progression for the entire song. So we're gonna look into that melody, the fast melody. So we're gonna play it this. Okay, so what you do there is to hold that A minor, and you're gonna play open A, then second G, first B, open high E, then comes this part, and that will be to play the open D and to hammer on the second G. So you don't pick that second, you have to go that fast, so you just hammer on it to get that note, and then you continue with first B and open E. So alright, that's the A minor part. Next up is the C. Same principle, just a different grip. Now you have the C chord. You're gonna play like this. So that will be the third fret A string, then open G, first B, open high E, then comes that in the same way as A minor, so you play the open to second D, and first B, and open E. So like that, and then you have that G part. Again, same principle, and you're gonna go up to that third fret E string. You can hold that one, and yeah, it goes like this. Okay, so you're gonna play third fret E string, then open G, first B, open high E, and now comes that open to second on the A string instead. So open A to second A in the same way, and then first B and open high E. So that the G part goes. Okay, so there you have the melody. I'm gonna take you through one round, so let's go. Okay, so what you're gonna play here is 4 rounds of that melody for A minor, then 2 rounds on the C, and 2 rounds on that G. Okay, So that is what's going on when it comes to the melody. Now we have some strumming going on here. So what you're going to play now for strumming is like this. Okay, so the strumming around goes with A minor, down, up, clap, up, down, up. So that is one string around. So down, up, clap, up, down, up, down, up, clap, up, down, up. And for A minor, you're gonna play 2 rounds of that strumming. For C, you're gonna play 1, and for G, 1. So A minor, C, G, again. Alright guys, so that's it. Lone survivor. I'm sitting here all alone as a survivor here on Gruvgear Guitar. Thank you for support, guys. I really appreciate everything you do for me. So let's move on. If you're a Shaboozey fan, then yes, he will be back here for sure. So make sure you subscribe to this channel and my new channel as well, even more important. So thank you so much. See you soon. Stay tuned.